everyone, so I just got a package from Temu, and this is my first purchase with Temu. I hadn't experienced it before. Shipping didn't take that long at all, about a week or so, and I wanted to show you guys what I got, see if it was worth it. So they currently had like a really good discount, which is like 50% off. So I got a bunch of little knick-knack stuff that I saw, but already I'm noticing something I don't like, and it's rusty right here. I know it's gonna be hard to see, but it is rusty right there, and I don't like that at all. I'm not even sure. Oh, these are headbands. Okay, let's see. Okay, these are like the headbands. These are cute. Okay, it's a butterfly with a Bible verse that I got for my mom. These are more headbands. You can tell I'm obsessed, apparently. More headbands, same thing, just a different color. Another headband. Oh my god, what's wrong with me? I like these. I like the wideness of it because you can change it up. These is cute. They look well made too. Okay, so I got 5 headbands so far. A keychain, some sort of thing from like, and this thing, which I didn't like at all. Can't believe they sent me something rusty. This was just a very cheap little thing that supposedly you put toward on your perfume bottle, and if you can carry the scent with you, like your own little perfume bottle from whatever your favorite scent is, so that you can take it with you. Everything got crushed because they put everything in a small bag instead of doing things correctly. But I guess to keep the shipping low, they'll just destroy a box and potentially what's in it. This is a silicone massage bath brush, but this is for, or at least the way they promoted it, it was for the dog. So let's hope it is, because that's who I'm using it on. I don't know what I'm supposed to do. Maybe, I don't know. Maybe like this. Yeah, there you go. And just scrub, scrub, scrub. And supposedly it has a little container where you put the soap in. I don't know. Yeah. And then it just dispenses it so that you don't have to be pouring it on. Like my dog is a husky. She takes a lot of... See, but this is already... I'm already struggling to get that in. I guess there it goes. Okay, well, we'll see. Then these linen cloths, which looked really cute online. I don't know what the quality is like, but they were kitchen towels, and they were really cheap. I guess when you're buying cheap stuff, you can't get too picky, right? Oh my god! No, why? Why? You really need to read the details. Like, this is what I got. This is not a kitchen towel. What the heck am I supposed to do with this? Like, seriously. What am I supposed to do with this? Ugh. They feel nice at least. I don't know. Like, this is tiny. 9x5. We'll go with 9x5. Did bring a lot of them. Why they would cut them, I have no idea. This is another little knick-knack. This is to put on fake eyelashes. I was just so curious, and it was so cheap. It was like 80 cents. And so you put, oh god. And so you put the eyelash here, and then supposedly it'll be just easier to apply because it's the shape of your eye. And I would like to try it because I do have difficulties the few times that I wear fake eyelashes. I did buy a pretty blouse. It's just a little dangle, but it has these little things on the side at the bottom that make it look scrunched up, which I like. See? Scrunched up, and oh boy. See? That's a cute little undershirt. I like this. So this I bought for when I go to the parks because I don't like carrying big bags. And it's already looking... I don't know if you guys noticed this, but this is actually not working right. It's closed, and this is right here. Do you know this? You guys are my proof. Look at that. It's not right. I guess I have to open it force it open to see if it'll close correctly. There we go. There, it closed right. What I'm saying is, though, you could tell they're not sending you quality stuff. I saw this on when the Super Bowl, they were promoting themselves like crazy. Even the, as you can see, even this wasn't done right. I have not been impressed with anything so far. Anything at all. I'm glad I didn't pay a ton for it. Because when you go by reviews, people are like, oh yeah, for the price, it's amazing. I don't know. Not amazing at all. I'm glad for the 50% off because I wouldn't buy this otherwise. It has 3 pockets. Like I said, it's not well stitched. I wouldn't even say perfect. It's not well stitched. You can tell this is not going to last very long. I like it for what it is, but like, look at this. It's not even like, it's like a cheap knockoff of a knockoff. A knockoff of a knockoff. This was supposedly like a sweating thing. So I told you guys I was doing the keto thing. This supposedly is like to like put on and sweat while you exercise. Yep, there we go. We'll see how that works out. One was for my daughter. I don't know if it's too big because we don't know really sizes, especially from another country. But I really liked what it said. The message is beautiful. It says, "Be real, not perfect." And I absolutely love that. And I hope that she will fit into it, if not now, eventually. Right there. It's like, it's a pretty blouse. That's pretty. Hope it looks as cute as it looks. It looks good. I like it. Overall, it seems that the clothes items were nice. I don't know how long they'll last. I don't expect them to last a long time. Like, I don't want to sound like I'm like expecting quality items because it is cheap stuff. But I don't want it to be crappy looking. I mean, I'm not trying to be mean, but I just don't want it to be crappy. And like, this is all fine. But it's like, don't send me rusty stuff. I don't like rusty stuff. Like now I'm like, I'm not going to return that for that, you know? But maybe I should try to get my money back because don't give me rusty stuff. And then maybe I just will try it all and see if there was anything else that I really liked. But if you want to try Temu, give it a try. They have discounts all the time. They send me like 20 emails or text messages all the time trying to sell me something or to make me buy more stuff. But like I said, delivery was quick. Items look okay. I won't promise that they're amazing. I want to try the clothes on. They look good. But all the little knickknacks and stuff, wasn't expecting much. The thing that upset me the most, I think, were the little washcloths. They're not washcloths though. The little rags, I guess, and the like wallet thing. Well, not wallet. The purse thing that goes here. That was just clearly not well stitched. It wasn't well done at all. So, and I know it's just not going to last very long. But for what I want, which is just like my wallet stuff and like my phone when I'm on a ride or something, maybe it'll last a little bit. Who knows? We'll see. This feels kind of nice. I don't know if the dog will get this. I like this. So in total, it was all about $21, $22. So not terrible for a few blouses, the bag, and all those little gadgets. So like I said, you know that you're not buying quality items. I did just read because I really don't like the rusty thing. This is supposed to be for the back of your phone, for the grip hole thingy or whatever. And depending on how much I paid for it, which I'll check, I might keep it. But if not, then I might return it. Your first return is free. So I'm going to try everything on, see how everything is, and then see if I'm going to return it. Hope you like this video. If you do, give it a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below. Subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you next time.